In a forgotten corner of an old town, stood a small wooden workshop. Its owner, the pencil maker, was an old man, quiet, kind, and tired from years of creation. He worked long after everyone else had gone to sleep, shaping the last pencil of his life. As the candle burned low, he looked at the half-finished pencil on his table and whispered, "Tonight, I'll give you my final secret." The old man carved carefully. The pencils would gleamed under the light. Then suddenly, the pencil rolled slightly. The pencil maker froze. He smiled, not with fear, but with peace, as if he had expected this. "Master, will I ever be good enough to write something meaningful?" "You already are, my little one. But before you begin your journey, there are 5 secrets I must tell you. First, you will make mistakes. Your lines will sometimes go crooked. But don't be afraid of them. Each mistake will teach you how to draw straighter next time." The pencil trembled slightly, as though understanding pain before it came. "Second, what's inside you matters more than your shell. Your wood may shine, but it's your heart, the graphite within, that brings light and meaning to every page." The pencil looked at its shining body and realized beauty means nothing if your heart is empty. Third, one day, you will feel pain when I sharpen you. But that pain will make you better, more defined, more precise. Do not curse the blade. It is your teacher. Tears rolled from the old man's eyes as he carved the pencil one last time. He knew his own life had been sharpened the same way, by loss, struggle, and love. Fourth, wherever you go, leave a mark. Not of perfection, but of kindness, wisdom, and truth. The pencil imagined blank pages waiting to be filled, dreaming of stories it would one day tell. And finally, when life gets tough, and you feel worn out, remember who made you. Remember your purpose. That night, the wind howled outside. The candle flickered as if trying to speak. The pencil rolled slightly toward the edge of the table, trembling as if ready to leap into the unknown. The old man watched, silently proud. "Go, and remember who you are, where you came from, and the lessons I've given you. Never forget your purpose, and always leave your mark on the world." When the morning came, the workshop was silent. The chair was empty, the tools untouched. Only the pencil lay on the table, shining faintly in the sunlight. On the wall, in neat handwriting, were the words, "The value of life lies not in perfection, but in purpose." The pencil rolled gently toward the window, as if saying goodbye. A young boy stepped in, the pencil maker's grandson. He picked up the pencil and began to draw. Each stroke carried warmth, as if guided by unseen hands. And so, the pencil continued the story its maker had begun, writing not just on paper, but in hearts that would remember. Like the pencil, we too are shaped by mistakes, sharpened by pain, and meant to leave a mark before our time fades. Even the smallest tools, or the quietest souls, can teach the greatest lessons, if only we remember who made us, and why we were made. Moral: the value of life lies not in perfection, but in purpose. It is the mistakes we make, the challenges we face, and the love we give that shape who we truly are. Every life, no matter how small or quiet, has the power to leave a mark that inspires, comforts, and changes others. Never underestimate the impact of your journey. Your purpose is your greatest legacy. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like and share it with someone who needs a little hope today. Hit subscribe for more emotional and motivational stories, and turn on notifications so you never miss a story that could change your life. Remember, your mark matters. Leave it wisely.